Well, good afternoon, and we're out for a bit of photography just to try and get a short video done before I go on holiday in what we're doing Monday, and we set off Thursday. So I'm actually in my work gear because I have been working at Mirehouse, which is I don't know whether you can see behind me there. Yeah, there's Mirehouse. Just been doing some painting there, and I thought I brought my camera with the express intention, if I had sufficient time, which I have, because the undercoating didn't take too long. I'm back tomorrow to do the top coat, which may take a bit longer. But yeah, I thought we'd have a wander down just to St Bega's church, see if we can get some nice images of the church and possibly of Bassenthwaite Lake, and see what else we can see. So yeah, it's going to be quite a short video today, but we'll see how we get on. So yeah, we're just walking from the house down this path. I don't know whether you could see on some of the B-roll the actual church, but that's where we're headed. Anyway, stop rambling, David, and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, we haven't come an awful lot further. We're getting towards the church, and as you can see here, that's where I've got the camera. And there we've got the church, and the idea of this composition is just to get the church in a bit of the field. There were some lambs in front that I was hoping to get, but they've wandered along. And there's a bit of a rock here, so I just thought I'd try it out whether that with the fowls behind would work or not. I'm not totally convinced about it. I mean, now if we look at the back of the camera, it's f11, 100 ISO and 125th of a second. So yeah, we'll see what it comes out like, and if it's reasonable, we'll put it up on the video after this, and we'll go and have a further wander around. So right, we'll see you a bit later. Right, as you've probably seen from some of the B-roll, we've actually been into the church, and we've just come past it, and looking back, I wanted to get an image of the church with the hills in the background. And as you can see, if we show the recording through the actual stills camera, you can see there. And I just want to explain my thought process with this. That we've got that's Dodd, and that'll be coming up to Carl's side, I think, that one there. I've just got the spire of the church in the V, and the church is roughly on the third. So I mean that's the composition. Now on the video, as I say, it's 6:9, 9:16, which is what I'm going to crop it to anyway. So you're getting more or less the same as the image will come out. I have actually already captured the image, and if memory serves me correctly, it was 100 ISO, f11 and 160th of a second obviously I've changed the settings for the video. So yeah, that's the image. I think it looks quite good actually on the back of the camera. We'll tell when we get back home and we process it. But yeah, it's quite a nice image. And I think with that we'll think about heading back up to Mirehouse and maybe see if we can go a slightly different way and get an image of Mirehouse on the way back. So yeah, I mean, I can't see anything particularly on the lake side. That's stunning. So yeah, and time marches on, doesn't it? And yeah, this is just a short video to get a video out. If everything goes according to plan, this will actually be coming out as we're travelling back to the Lake District from London. So anyway, we'll see you a bit later. Right, well, we've found our final composition. See, there's the camera. Got a long lens on, and I don't know whether you can see Mirehouse with Dodd above it, just nestled in the mountains there. Yeah, I think it makes quite a good image. I've tried bracketing and I've tried just a single image as well, so I don't know which will come out best. Whichever is best we'll put up on the video after this. And I have taken, whether I'll put them up, as I was coming along, as we turn around here we can see there's quite a lot of sheep in this field, so I did take some handheld shot, capture some handheld images of the sheep and the lambs. Yeah, if they're any good, if there's any nice ones, I'll put them up. And we're now going to head back to the van, so we'll see you a little bit later. Right, we're going to call it a day and head back to the van and head home. We've got quite a lot to get done. Yeah, it was a nice little walk. Didn't walk very far, just from my house to St Bega's, and we're virtually back at my house now. I think I got some nice little pictures, some nice little images of the church, possibly some of the lambs and one of my house. So yeah, sorry it's a short video, it's just things have been catching up and we're going on holiday. I need to try and get these videos done to get out. One went out on Sunday, I've got another one in the bag, just needs all the processing done. It'll go out this coming Sunday, as we're getting at the start of our holiday, and all being well, this one will be going out as we and back. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? And if there's anything you like, don't like, thoughts, questions, whatever, please comment. I do answer all comments, and it is useful to know what people are thinking, of either pluses or minuses, and that. So, yeah, right, I think we'll call it a day, and we'll see you on the next video.